Good morning, you guys. Welcome or welcome back to my channel again. And today I'll be going out, but before that, I'll be going to a cafe to bring my yummy food, that is yummy breakfast. And I'll be showing you what I'll be eating and where I'll be going. So, yeah, let's go. So guys, I have reached home and यहाँ पे देखो, I have bought something to eat. I'll show you guys later. यहाँ पे bhaji, pav, these all things I have bought. And the thing is, today I'll be going out. Okay, and Mama, Baba, about brother, I don't know if he'll be coming or not. But Hitanshi or her Mama will also be coming. So where it will be going, I'll tell you all guys later. So yeah, now let's have breakfast. So I have taken my breakfast and this is my breakfast, guys. You can see I have taken one buns and this is mirchi bhaji, and I have my black tea, khuti chow, and now I'm eating. I'm hungry. So now I'm going to Shanta's Itanshi's house. See this. Let's see what she's doing. I had my breakfast and now my tummy is full and now I'm going to Hitanshi's house. Let's see what she's doing. So guys, say hi Shantu. Say hi. Oh. So guys, plan कुछ अलग हो गया है. My sister and Sony will come afterwards. Uh, Before हम लोग जाएंगे, and Hitanshi will be coming with us. And yeah, I'll take bath and then get ready and then meet y'all guys. So now I have got ready and this is Shantu. Say hi. Hello. Poy poy रांगोळीच्या पाय दौड़ता. Hello कर. Hi. So I've got ready and now let's go. First I have to give my bike to my sister. पहले मैं वहाँ जाने वाली हूँ and then I'll be going in the car and show my mama and baba. I'll show you mama. Mama, I gotta go. I gotta go. And he's my dad. And he's Shanta. So now let's go. So now I have parked my bike here and I'll show you where my sister is doing her job. So I gave her, and now I'll be waiting for my mama to come. She's किती हल्ला गे ऐकर अशा ऐकर So now we have come to Hona Sattari, and now there's a program.
संप्रदाय धीरे धीरे
My
धीरे
sister
बढ़
is
गया
also
और
coming.
एक दिन अयोध्यावासी है जो महंत ज्ञानदास महाराज जो है अखिल भारतीय आखाड़ा
Bye bye.
Hello, ma'am. Hey. How are you? Fine. Yeah. Now where are you? Ten.
Now we are going home and the program has ended. So now we are going home.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.